Colin Powell, the former U.S. Secretary of State, dies of COVID-19 complication. Hi again and welcome. This is Links Subler 7 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links Subler 7 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links Subler 7 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 7 TV News Report. Tributes are being paid for the former U.S. Secretary of State Colin Powell, who died of COVID-19 complications at age 84. The former top military officer died on Monday morning, his family said. They also stated that he was fully vaccinated. Powell became the first African-American Secretary of State in 2001 under the Republican President George W. Bush. He also sparked a lot of controversy for helping garner the support for the war in Iraq. George W. Bush was among the first to pay tribute to a great Republic servant as well as a family man and a friend who was such a favorite of the president, and he earned the Presidential Medal of Freedom twice. Colin Powell is known for the way he helped shape the American foreign policy over the years. As the first U.S. Black Secretary of State, Powell made his mark on the country forever, and he'll be certainly be missed by the political parties. The former veteran U.S. Secretary of State, who is of Jamaican parentage, rose to the rank of 4-star general in 1989 and became the first black chairman of the Joint Chief of Staff. In that role, he oversaw the U.S. invasion of Panama and later the U.S. invasion of Kuwait. Born Colin Luther Powell on April 5, 1937 in Harlem, New York, Powell was the son of a Jamaican migrant, Luther and Maud Powell. He was raised in the South Bronx area and educated in New York City Public School. He graduated from Morris High School in 1954 without any definite plans for where he wanted to go with his life. It was at City College of New York, where Powell studied geography, that he found his calling in the Reserve Official Training Corps. He soon became commander of his unit. His experience set him on the military career and gave him a structure of direction in his life. After graduating in 1958, Powell was commissioned as a second lieutenant in the U.S. Army while stationed at Fort Devens, Massachusetts. Colin Powell met Alma Johnson of Birmingham, Alabama, and they got married in 1962. The couple has 3 children, son Michael and daughter Linda and Anna Marie. We'll continue to track this story and provide you with more information to come on this, but this is just a sad story to bring to you right now on Links 7 TV, and we'll continue and update you with more information. This has been Links 7 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.